All right, everybody, Facebook friends and all. Scrapping with Grandpa. Somebody told me that they wanted to get rid of a car that was in the yard. Well, I sure wish I could have took these brand new tires off first. I just didn't have a way to do it. Didn't have any other wheels to put on it. The two back tires are brand spanking new. Anyway, he gave this thing to me to scrap. I'm just wondering, I mean, this thing's got aluminum wheels. Could have really made a few extra dollars on this car. I did take the catalytic converter off, so at least I got that. So anyway, that's the Sebring that somebody gave me to scrap. We got the title right here. All right. Now, let's just bring it up. Let me go over there and walk over there and see what they're going to give me for it first. Everybody, scrapping with Grandpa, and I just dropped that car off. Got $302 for it, which is basically 10 cents a pound for that scrap metal. So I had somewhere around 3,000 pounds of car, and normally they'll only give you like 7.5 or 8 cents per pound on a car because it has headliner and rubber and a lot of miscellaneous things that can't be used, the seats and all that kind of stuff. So if you was to tear it down, you could actually make more money on a car as opposed to leaving it all together. But that was my first one. Got it for free, turned it over, made a profit. That's all I really cared about. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to check out my YouTube channel, check out Scrapping with Grandpa on YouTube. You'll find me. Local scrapper here. If you have any scrap metal you'd like to get rid of, give me a call. I'd love to pick it up.